Suppose we have already logged in as a teacher and already created a subject named Mathematics 5. Click All Courses. Find Mathematics 5, then click on it. After that, make sure to turn editing on first, so you can edit what's inside the topic. Now, navigate to the lesson or topic where you want to add a new quiz. Then click Add an activity or resource. Find and select Quiz, and then click Add. Now go to the Name field, and enter the name of the quiz. Timing is where you can set the availability of the quiz and its duration. Enable it if you want, and then select a date. Here, I am choosing May 21st, from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I will also enable the time limit of the quiz. Let's enter 3 minutes. You can also select an action you want when time expires. On the Grade tab, you can set the passing grade and the number of attempts allowed for the quiz. Layout tab lets you choose how the questions would appear per page. Question Behavior tab allows you to shuffle the questions, and control question behavior for feedback after answering. Review Options tab gives the option on how the students will review their quiz after answering. After that, you can now click the Save and Return to Course to save your work, and view the quiz you have created in Outline view. Now click on the quiz that we have created. Then click Edit Quiz. Scroll down and click Add. Then choose Add a new question. In here, just select the type of question you want to add. Then click the Add button. I choose to add true or false question. In here, fill up the desired question name and text. Now scroll down and set up the desired answer, and set feedback for the correct or wrong answer. Click Save Changes to save your work. Now, we have successfully added one question. Just continue adding more questions as desired. We can also use questions already created by others, by using the Question Bank feature of Moodle. Here, we can see all the questions previously made by other personnel, and reuse them to our own quiz. Just select the related ones, and then edit them after, if needed. Now you are done adding quiz. Don't forget to click the Save button. Now, your students are ready to take the quiz. Congratulations!